The first model on the agenda is Murdoch. Murdoch 2004 comes with a broken copper. It needs a little touch up, but let's focus on the tender. I don't know if this is the right way or someone tried to fix it, but it's upside down. Anyways, it does look okay, but as you can see, it does not run. Let's see if it works now. No, still dead. We remove 2 screws. Oh man, it's dirty as always. The motor looks okay. I'm talking about the entire gearbox. I'm gonna start with, oh, there's a lot of hair inside. Removing this, yes, this one is broken. But I'm gonna spin the motor. I'm gonna give it a little spin, see if it works. Now try again. It works. It's working now. A lot of hair inside the cogs. Now that is clean. Put the lid on. Good. Okay, we are done with this model. Now let's try a battery. Good. Now a little touch up with an oil-based marker. Here and there. Also here and here. Here is the spare part. Done. Now we have a complete engine. Arthur looks good. Battery contacts clean. Can you hear that? We need to put a new cog. There is the problem. Old and new. Now I just gotta cut half of the cog. That is perfect. It looks good to me. Very smooth. Alright, we are done with Arthur. Nice. Nice. Very nice model. Montage. Finally, I remember the name of a duck. So this model is 1996 or 1997 Tomy. Missing side rods. Oh man, these are toasted. Look, very no. Anyways, let's see. Very a lot of dirt in here. Anyways, it don't work. So we are going to try and give 3 volts directly to the motor. Try this. There you go. It just needed a little jump. Now Now let's focus on these wheels. Look, toasted. Uh-oh. It's turning dust. That looks good. I found the spare side roads. A little touch up here with the oil base marker. Also here. That sounds good. Runs good. Excellent. Nice. The turn for diesel 10. Okay. There is some battery corrosion. I don't think it's gonna work without cleaning, proper cleaning. Also missing rubber rings. I think it's gonna need some nickel plating. I'm doing a little cleaning with a white vinegar. There is a rust buildup on this battery terminal. Seems that's not working yet. Okay, I'm gonna give 3 volts. Now it runs. Still need a nickel plate. As you can see, barely makes contact. Yes, it needs a nickel plate. I wish to do it just straight. I'm gonna try see if it works. Let's begin. It is working. Excellent. After the nickel plate, we do a test and it works. Even if we move it, it's making a good contact. Excellent. Alright, we are done with diesel 10. I put some rubber rings or wheels or tires and it's working. Amazing. It's really fast actually. It's fast. Very fast. Diesel 10. Excellent. Here is Duncan. Duncan, it's in a good condition, I'm gonna say. Mattel, missing a tire. Comes with a battery, not working. That's a dead battery, I guess. Now it works, but I can see it's skipping a gear or something. We need to fix that. Yeah, it is not moving. There it goes. That means that this needs driving axle gear replacement. There is the problem. It's cracked. Alright, we are ready. Now I need that new tire. Well, I had to remove the old one and I put 2 of the same color. That sounds good to me. Eyebrows fixed. Buffers needs a little repaint. Look at this buffer beam. It needs a touch up too. Alright, Duncan is ready and it's not skipping a gear. Working good. Excellent. Yep, excellent. A heat toy company, Percy. Looks good. Looks good. I'm not gonna say it's really bad. It's good actually. Now, see a lot of dust and hair and everything. Still not working. Oh, is it skipping a gear now? To me, it's a little loud. I think the motor needs a new cog, but it's not skipping a gear. As you notice at the beginning of the clip, this motor was not running. Now we just simple clean, and then we gotta check this cog right here. Yes, this is the one. It came off of the motor really easily. All right, new cog in place. Now we can test this motor and Percy. All right, let's see. Good, good, good. Percy, it's very good. Excellent. 2011 looks okay. I don't know if you can hear, but it's just a little bit of oh well. So I'm trying to fix the model that came the other day. What is this? Wax or something? So I'm getting whatever comes to my hand. Scruff, it's in good condition. Actually, this scruff doesn't need anything at all. It's just a little cleaning. What happened? Scruff, it's good. Needs nothing. Yeah. So as I was saying, I have a lot of models that came the other day in 2 boxes. I'm trying to fix them and find if there are some good ones, then we don't have to do anything. Like Stafford. Stafford is good. All right, that's it for today.